You may be wondering why Georgia Pacific leases some dispensing systems. Specifically, our enMotion towel and skincare and SmartStock cutlery dispensing systems. GP retains ownership of these dispensers for several important reasons. At Georgia Pacific, we want to ensure that every time a person uses our enMotion or SmartStock dispenser systems, they have a great experience, which is also a reflection on your operation. The enMotion towel dispensing systems have a 96% satisfaction rating from customers. We're proud of that high level of quality and want people to associate the GP brand with dependability. Leasing these dependable dispenser systems may also help you save on maintenance and upkeep. The dispensers and their coordinating refill products are engineered together to deliver the exceptional quality that people associate with the enMotion and SmartStock brands. That's why a key condition of the lease agreement is that customers always refill the dispensers with enMotion and SmartStock products for as long as they have the dispensers. If other products were used in the dispensers, GP couldn't guarantee that the systems would function as designed. But what if a customer wants to use another manufacturer's dispensers and refills? We understand that situations change. Customers can end their lease at any time by notifying Georgia Pacific and returning the dispensers. Georgia Pacific continues to improve the dispensing systems to deliver a reliable experience for years. When you sign the lease, you activate the warranty on the dispensers. GP provides a lifetime warranty on the enMotion dispensers to cover defects in workmanship or materials, and provides a 5-year warranty for the SmartStock dispensers. For more information on the specific conditions of the enMotion and SmartStock lease, click below to see the document. Thank you.